networkers. And we have in totality 20 years of experience in network marketing. This only assures you that we will give you the best networking company in the Philippines. But America is poised to be a global networking company. So we chose Cebu to be the starting point of America. Wala pang ang product, nagbe-network na ang mga Cebuano sa Amerika. Would you believe? Pinilit lang namin tapusin this product for this launching. No? Kaya wala pang label yung blister pack. No? So the next batch, meron na pong label yan. No? Okay, and also, what's good, we are the first networking company in the world who focus only on pycnogenol, the super pycno, ang hari ng antioxidant. Ang grupo po kasi namin, hindi po kami pwede sa okay lang. We must get the best antioxidant in the world. Horpat is one company, one product. The extraction factory is located in the forest of France. No? Doon po mismo sa forest. Sila ang nagpa-plant ng mga pine trees, nagtitrim, hanggang after 50 years na palang hina-harvest. May cycle po yan. That's why we are assured of genuine. And this product has almost 180 clinical studies. No? Kaya we are assured of its efficacy. And also, sa America wants to be your vehicle for your success. No? We want every one of you to be a millionaire.
Yes!
Not just a millionaire, but healthy millionaire.
Yes!